Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now in this video, I'm going to be installing and reviewing the SONICSHIELD Horn from Eagle Lights. Now this horn is made for any Harley Davidson that has a side mount horn. Now this horn puts out 120 decibels, where the stock horn puts out about 80 to 90 decibels. So let's open up this box and see what we have. All right, so we have the horn. We're going to see what's in the box. As you see, the model is an ELH-C is the model of the horn. Let's see what we have here. So it's a pretty nice looking horn. You see I have the chrome. Everything on my bike is chrome. I don't have any black, but they also come in black as well. It's actually pretty solid. Even this bracket here, looks like it goes from about 1 inch maybe to about 1/4 inch here, which is actually pretty good. Actually feels pretty solid. I know my business partner bought another horn that has some thin brackets, and over time from the vibration, there was a crack in the bracket, and of course he couldn't use it anymore. But I don't think you're gonna have a problem with this one, because again, it's pretty solid. So that's all that came in the box was a horn. It's a true plug and play. So you plug here and here from your stock horn, and that should be all you have to do. But we're gonna go out and install this thing, see what it looks like, see how it sounds. So let's go do that. All right, so let's go ahead and take off this stock horn. Now the first thing you want to do is remove your battery cables, which I've already done. And then I'm gonna use a 13mm wrench. Take off this bolt here holding on the stock horn. You want to reuse this bolt and washer, so make sure you hang on to them. From here, you're going to disconnect the horn. So this little bracket, this wire's in, you want to move it outside that bracket, and then you could simply unplug these two connectors here. That's it. Take off the old horn. Then we're going to get the new horn. We're going to plug it in the same way. This was on this side here. Then you're going to use those same bolts and washer, the same bolt and washer. Now you don't need any heat shrink wrap because you're not connecting any wires together. You're just using the stock connectors. There you go, pretty much that easy. Let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so this is how the stock horn sounds. Not too bad, a little bit of a higher sound maybe, but not too bad. So as you can see, pretty easy install, looks good. Sounds a little bit better than the stock horn. So there you go. This horn is machined from billet aluminum and features stainless steel mesh for added durability. And it comes in chrome or black. And it's also covered with a lifetime manufacturer's warranty.
Not bad at all.
Now I've partnered with Eagle Lights to help riders be safer on the road. So if you want to change out your stock horn, click on the link in the description below and you'll get 15% off your entire order. Now, if you're looking at changing out your LED headlights or turn signals, check out these videos. Now, until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.